Alright, so today I'm going to be building the Ekranoplan that I'll take to Culpepper. It will be waterproof. So yeah, I'm going to start working on the Ekranoplan now. Alright, so here's what I've got. So I've got the motor and all the electronics in this little canister here. And so it's like water resistant pretty much. I'm going to go ahead and do some test flights. So yeah, I'm going to head to the neighborhood now. Just about to go ahead and test this version of my Ekranoplan. So I'm going to send it down the street. And I've got the floats here. I'll add more floats afterwards if it works here. So it can float. And yeah, I'm going to get testing it now. Alright, so I'd say that was pretty successful. Next weekend, I'll add floats onto the thing and get it ready to go off on Mountain Run Lake in Culpepper. And yeah, so for now, see ya, and I'll do that next weekend.